Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, very good. What we learned yesterday? Could you say in some simple sentence what we learned yesterday from the lesson The Island? Anybody? Yes, we learned about a fisherman and his wife. Where did they live? They lived on an island. What type of island? Lonely island. ഒറ്റപ്പെട്ട ഐലൻഡ് ആയിരുന്നു അത്. മറ്റുള്ള ദേശക്കാരോ പ്രദേശങ്ങളോ ആയിട്ടൊന്നും ബന്ധമില്ലാത്ത ഒരു ലോൺലി ഐലൻഡ് ആയിരുന്നു അത്. They led a simple and quiet life. Calm and quiet life. And also we learned that they had no electricity, no phone, no television, no newspaper. Isn't it? Yes, that islanders did not have electricity, no phone, no television, and also no newspaper. And also at least they did not have hairbrush. They didn't have comb to brush the hair, and also no toothbrushes also, or no mirrors. Together we learned. Then I will ask the spelling of some words. Yes, spell out the word electricity. Spell out the word electricity. Okay, ELECTRICITY. 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 Television. 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 Mirrors. 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 Then I will ask you a simple question. Where did the fisherman and his wife live? Where did the fisherman and his wife live? Who can say? Yes, very good. The fisherman and his wife live on an island. They live on an island. Then, is the place like yours? How is it different? Is the place like yours? How is it different? Yes, the island is not a place like ours. They had no electricity, no newspaper, no television, and also they hadn't any hairbrush or mirrors. Yes, come to the next paragraph. Are you ready? Okay, I will read the second paragraph one time. You will listen very carefully. The only way the islanders came to know about the world outside was through the ships that passed the island. The sailors in the ship threw old worn-out toothbrushes, broken buckets, torn shoes, etc. into the sea. When these things came ashore, the people of the island collected them. Children, read that paragraph one time silently. Yes, good. The only way the islanders came to know about the world outside was through the ships that passed the island. They did not know anything about the world outside. They did not know anything about the outside world. Little news or information they are getting about the outside world was through the ship that passed through the island. They were getting the news, or they knew about the outside world was through the ship that passed the island. അവർക്ക് പുറം ലോകവുമായി യാതൊരു ബന്ധവുമില്ലായിരുന്നു. അവർക്ക് പുറം ലോകത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയുവാനുള്ള ഏക മാർഗം അതിലെ കടന്നു വരുന്ന ഷിപ്പുകൾ മാത്രമായിരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാരഗ്രാഫ്. The sailors in the ship threw old worn out toothbrushes, broken buckets, torn shoes, etc. into the sea. What did the sailors do? After using their toothbrushes and buckets and also shoes, they threw away it into the sea. All these things they threw away it in the sea. When it became very old, they threw away the old worn out, very old toothbrushes, broken buckets and also torn shoes. Very old shoes also, after using they threw away it into the sea. When these things came ashore, the people of the island collected them. We already saw that they did not know about these things like toothbrush, mirrors, television, radio, anything like that. And when they saw the things came ashore, they went there and collected those things for using it, because they were very poor and also they didn't know about those things, those comfortable things which they wanted to live comfortably. So when they saw these worn out old things, broken buckets and torn shoes, ഉപയോഗശൂന്യമായ കീറിപ്പറഞ്ഞ ടോൺ ഷൂസ് എല്ലാം സെയിലേഴ്സ് കടലിലേക്ക് വലിച്ചെറിയുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഐലൻഡിലുള്ള പാവപ്പെട്ട ജനങ്ങൾ അത് പോയി കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നു. You understand, children? Then listen one more time. I will read it once again. The only way the islanders came to know about the world outside was through the ships that passed the island. The sailors in the ship threw old worn out toothbrushes, broken buckets, torn shoes, etc. into the sea. When these things came ashore, the people of the island collected them. Then learn the spelling of new words and also read the paragraph. This small lesson over, so you read the lesson full 2 or 3 times at home and also learn the spelling of difficult words. And also some of the question answers I will send you, that you write front page. I will give you the meaning and also some question answers that you write in your classwork book. That means front page of your notebook. Very neatly write and also put date of today and write down very neatly without any spelling mistake. That I will send you the difficult words, meaning and also question answers. You write the meaning and question answers after writing the heading very neatly with the capital letters very neatly in each line. Lesson 1, the island. Before that you write unit 1. Unit 1 firstly you write in the first line and the mirror first line. After that you write lesson 1, the island. Then leave one line, then write down meaning. After writing meaning, you can do 2 or 3 lines and after that you start to write the question answers. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.